Hey guys, what's going on? Joe here, 690ADV, 690ADV.com. Here's your tip in 2 minutes or less of the day. Here's something else that goes in my gear with me whenever I go out and I'm doing my moto adventures or I'm just riding around. It doesn't even have to be an adventure. It's a good idea to have this thing. I like to call it the everything tool. And it's just nice to have. They're inexpensive. I picked this one up at Christmas because it was just really, really cool. It's like a Leatherman, but it has a knife, a saw blade, basically wire strippers. I mean, everything on this thing. Snips, you name it. A pair of dikes, the whole 9 yards. This thing was like, I think like $19. It was super cheap. It comes with a nice little pouch. It's not very heavy and it's great. So if you've got to strip some wire, or if you just need a quick knife, or if you've got to whatever, something to grab onto, take a bolt off because you just didn't bring the right wrench or something, these things are awesome. You can basically get one of these, throw them in your pack. They don't cost much and they work perfect, and you can use them at camp. They're really, really nice to have. So get yourself basically like a Leatherman, or basically this Sheffield right here. Down in the description you can pick them up. They're super cheap and they're nice to have because they do more than just one thing. So pick one of those up. You'll be happy that you have one. That's your tip in 2 minutes or less. You guys have a great day.